Namaste, Namaskaram, Vanakkam, and a very good evening to all of you. It is a fantastic environment here today. If you stand in my place and look at everyone here, you will see how festive and electric everything looks. So it is my pleasure to invite you all to this fundraising event.
Mahakavya Natagadi Priyam Mushika Mahana Modaga Priyam Mahaganapatim
Swami Shri Raghunayaka Swami Shri Raghunayaka Swami Shri Raghunayaka Sharanu Sharanu Hari.
I would like to welcome the chairman of the fundraising committee, Sri Rajnikant Gangavapu Garu, onto the stage to kick off the fundraising drive. Rajnikant Garu.
Good evening, one and all. Happy Diwali to each and every one. And I join along with the finance committee or fundraising committee and the executive committee and the board of trustees in welcoming you all on this wonderful evening. You all know why we have gathered and what for and how we can stand by. I've stood on the dais and spoken many occasions, several times, but today's cause was very different. I'm humbled, overwhelmed to be in front of you guys, and thank God for giving me this kind of an opportunity to serve the community and be a catalyst dealing with many people. And for the last 4 weeks, there are tons and tons and tons of people have invited this social cause as their household cause and spend many hours to make this true. Let's give a round of applause for all those volunteers who have done that great job.
This is the first time that in the convention center at a large scale, we have arranged this fundraising dinner, and many countless hours and sleepless nights have gone into it by the youngsters, and hope the function will be as successful.
For all, to satisfy all their demands. For example, the temple satisfies the religious needs for the preservation and the sustenance of our Sanatana Dharma. And the Mahatma Gandhi Center will satisfy for the parties and social occasions and whatnot. And then we have this new building, multi-purpose building. With that, we'll have facilities for several cultural activities, dance programs like this, which you have seen just now, and then yoga, marriages, and whatnot. So it's a multi-purpose building, and hopefully by next spring it will be ready for occupancy. And then with this addition, we also have 267 parking spaces, which will alleviate some of the shortage of parking right now, what we have. So it will considerably ease the parking problem. It is our obligatory duty
These 5 people and their team, there are close to 20 people. They all immediately, within 5 minutes, by the time I had 2 bottles of water, they came forward and said, Rajni, we wanted to take the challenge. And can you please get onto the stage if you don't mind? You are our spirit. We thank you. Dr. Nagreddy Garu, please get onto the stage. These 2 are the anonymous givers. They strictly said, please keep our name secret. And I said, this evening is mine. I'm not listening to anybody. So I took the liberty. Actually, they have given 125,000. So give a big round of applause. Ooh! And still there is a 25,000 matching. If not, they are not going to give. So now they are going to give only 100. So there is a 25 chance for someone to come forward like...
We had given money before when they had the first fundraiser 4 or 5 years ago when Dr. Parikh was conducting it. So we had given $15,000 for 2 parking spots. So what I would like to do to give total of $50,000. $15,000.
Give a big round of applause.
7,500. Only one we have. We'll come back. Where are we now on the barometer? Wow. Thank you, Parvatneni. Your heart is so big. Yeah. We are allowing the food.
We need only 14 more women.
That's your headache. You
We
need
have
to get on it.
36. Come on now.
Your bank is really getting filled. I know you are going to give because you never ever give up. That's the personality
I
you are.
even pledged for my daughter, so I figured she'll just pay for it.
You are well to do. Not only your daughters, even my daughters you should do. We are opening up the food. You can get and come back and sit on the...
Ganga Taranga Kamaniya Jata Kalapam Ganga Taranga.
Unbelievable. Please, please, please. Something interesting.
I have a challenge for women. 1 year, $2,000, and we have 15 already. And I'm looking for another 35, and we can match the 100,000 easy. And this is women only.
Civilization is the abode which is free from evil and sin.
You have taught me the great philosophy of life. Thank you, Krishna. I'm so grateful.
See the beauty. This is what we are. And this is what we, the human beings, are. I got a text. Dr. Krishna Reddy, thank you. He wants to match my 100,000. This is not on matching. Oh. He is matching 100,000.
Give a big round of applause.
Oh my God. Can we repeat this? I'm pledging for a classroom on the name of my brother who is not here. And this is a gift for you, Dad and Mom. I'm giving this to the community on your name for my brother. I hope you'll really be happy. So now with that 100,000, he's my brother. He's 10th grader when he met an accident, and I'm a 3rd grader. Love you, Anna. So with this, we crossed a million, but still, temple needs another 800,000. So I'm not going to drive that today. Thank God you gave the opportunity to be in this historic event, to drive 1 million in St. Louis, which itself is a history. Give a round of applause for that.